Hello friends, welcome to Code Crush Coding. In this video, we are going to learn about the image tag in HTML. So image tag is generally used to display image on web browser. So there are many attributes which are being used with the image tag. HTML image tag is used to display image on the web page. HTML image tag is an empty tag that contains attribute only. Closing tags are not used in HTML image element. So let's check the syntax of image tag. So this is the syntax of image tag. You can see here there is no end tag. Also the content which we provide that is being displayed on the browser is also not present in the image tag. Only it has attributes. So these are the attributes: source attribute and ALT attribute. It's basically stand for alternate. So in the ALT tag you can use some text. If in some cases the image is not displayed, at that time the alternate text is displayed. So in source you need to provide the URL of the image that you want to display. So let's understand about the image tag through our code. So this is our image tag.html file, title image demo. So let's start with the image tag. Let's say img. So see, the end tag is not provided. So source is one of the necessary attribute you need to provide. So I have one image in my folder, same as where I am storing my code. So this is my image tag file and I have my image.png file. So I want to display this. So as both are in the same location, I can just use the name of that file, my image.png. If your image is in another folder, you can provide the entire address so that image can be displayed. So let's save this and run on browser. So see, my image is being displayed here. So let's say if I do something wrong here, if I misspell the spelling here, in that case what I am getting. So here you can see the image is not displayed. But if you want to print some message here, so user will be able to understand you missed something or done something wrong. In that case you can use the ALT tag. So let's say ALT image not found. So here you can provide the message image not found. You can provide any message whatever you want here. Let's save this, refresh. So see, so image is not found here. If I correct this out, image.png, refresh the browser, see I am able to get the image. So in that case the ALT tag is not used. So this is one of the use of image tag. Also what we can do, if I have another image which is located on different location, then how I can use this image. So let's say I have that image on different location. So I have here my image 1. So let's copy the address. So you can put it here and provide the file name, my image dot, it was jpeg, right? Let's save this, just check on the browser. So let's use this one. Save this, refresh. So see, first one is not found because we have entered the wrong address, and the second one is also not able to found. Let's check if we have done something wrong here. So it is my image 1, right? Oh, we haven't written here 1, so that's why it was not able to found it. Let's refresh again. See, the first one image is not able to find, the second image is being displayed here. So if you have the image on different location, you can provide the entire address. So let's use the first image now for further code. So I will correct it out, refresh. So this is our image. So another attributes also that we can use with image tag, like height and width. So if I say I want to use height for this like 400 and width let's say 600, save this. Let's refresh this. See, the image is being adjusted as we have provided height and width. Let's say if I increase height to 600, refresh it, so the height is being increased. So in this way you can provide the attributes according to your requirement. So in this video what we have learned about the image tag. So use of img element to define an image, also the source attribute to define the URL of the image, the ALT attribute to define an alternate text for any image if the image is not displayed, also use of width and height attributes. So accordingly we can use as per our requirement. So that's it in this video. We will cover the next topic in another video. Thank you.